patio. Okay, say big kitchen. Big kitchen. Washer, dryer. Fridge. Storage. Pantry. And then we have this for counter space. Cabinets. Okay, let's go in here. Oh, dining room. Come here, baby. Then there's hallway. Half bath. Storage. Okay, come on. We'll go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Then, see, this will be the space where there's like a little desk against that wall, I guess, and the little library shelves, I guess, right here against these walls. Then living room. And there's a coat closet. Gotta fix this. Okay.